Hi everyone, and welcome to an introduction to paleontology with the Safe Cultural Heritage Group. My name's Jenna and I'll be your mentor for the next 6 weeks, and I'm really looking forward to doing this again. This is my second time running the course. I'm 24 and I'm from the United Kingdom, which is why I've spelt paleontology with an A. So I have both an undergraduate degree and a master's degree in paleontology, with my undergraduate degree being from the University of Portsmouth and my master's degree being from the University of Manchester. Here, for my master's, I studied the denning habits of Pleistocene-spotted hyenas in Britain, which was really cool. And my favourite extinct animal is Paraceratherium, which is an extinct rhino species from the Oligocene, which is about 7 to 4 million years ago, and it was one of the largest land mammals on Earth. So I really enjoy taking photos of fossils. It's one of my hobbies, I'd say. These are all fossil photos that I've taken at different museums, and I post them regularly on my social media. So about the course, the topics cover 5 major events and transitions that occurred during the fossil record. So the first lecture is an introduction to paleontology, so what it is, what it involves, who main people are. The second is the Cambrian explosion, which is the first major event. Then we go on to Devonian fish and the water to land transition. Then we go to the rise and fall of dinosaurs, mammalian evolution and human evolution. So the assessment information, we are doing weekly multiple choice quizzes on the week's topic. Overall, there is 100 points to be gained from all 6 quizzes, and to pass the course, you just need to complete all the weekly quizzes to get an average of 60%. I am providing handouts for you to fill in, but these are completely optional, so it's just to kind of help aid your understanding in the course, but I'll happily check through them to make sure that you understand them. So for your first exercise, I would like you to introduce yourself in the comment section of the post I've made on the Google Classroom when you can access it. I want to know who you are, where are you from, why did you choose to do this course, and what is your favourite extinct animal? So that could be anything from a trilobite all the way to T-Rex to like saber-toothed cats and mammoths. So to contact me, I'll be available most evenings and weekends. However, the most evenings might change due to work commitments, but I'll keep you all updated. And then here are my socials that you can contact me before, after, during the course. So Twitter, LinkedIn, website, email and Instagram. I look forward to meeting you all in a few weeks. Bye!